Grilled cheese and tomato soup is the ultimate comfort food, but somehow it still gets ruined with the wrong ingredients. So let's fix that, starting with the basics. The tomatoes. Make sure you're using high quality canned tomatoes. Not sure if they're good? Taste one, you'll know right away. Once you've gotten the right tomatoes, let's start the soup with an onion. Peel off the outer layer completely. Cut off that little piece at the top. It's useless and doesn't help us with anything. Slice the onion in half and roughly chop it. We're going to blend the soup later, so don't worry about little perfect cuts. Now roughly chop 3 cloves of garlic. And again, no need to be precise. Blending will take care of that later. In a pot over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil is key. It adds richness without needing any cream. Add your chopped onions and garlic to the pot. If you're into cozy recipes like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Cook the onions and garlic for about 7 minutes. We're not looking for any caramelization, just soft and translucent veggies. Once they're there, stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook it for a minute or 2 just to bring out a fresh flavor. This gets rid of that straight from the can taste. Next, pour in a 28-ounce can of peeled tomatoes. This is the star of the show, so make sure they taste amazing. Add a half tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. You might be thinking, sugar in a soup? But trust me, without it, the acidity is overwhelming. Then stir it all together. Now, even though I forgot to show it on camera, add a cup and a half of chicken or vegetable stock and bring everything to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the tomatoes are super soft and almost stew-like. Now it's time to blend. Use a food processor or blender to puree the soup until smooth. An immersion blender works too, but just know it will be slightly chunkier and just a bit more rustic. If you learned something new today, leave a like so someone else could see this video as well. Now let's move on to the grilled cheese. First, what are we frying this in? To settle the great debate, add 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of mayo. This combo gives you the flavor and the perfect golden crust at the same time. Next up, the bread. There's no one right choice. Some people say you have to do sourdough, and others just love a thick, sweet bread. So pick what you want and just go with it. Then spread your butter mayo mixture on the bread of your choice. Quick tip, if your bread is super soft, the back of a spoon will actually help it spread really nicely and evenly. In a pan over medium heat, place your 2 slices of bread, butter side down. For cheese, I'm going simple. I'm just going to go with 1 slice of American cheese and some freshly grated mozzarella. That's my go-to combo, but you do you. Go for whatever cheese you like. There's really no wrong way about it. Another quick tip here, if your bread is browning too fast and the cheese isn't melting, add a splash of water to the side of the pan and cover it for a minute. It'll steam up the cheese without ruining that perfect crisp. While the sandwich rests, pour your soup into a bowl and take a moment to appreciate the best sound on earth. Oh, and don't ask why I'm cutting it on a wire rack. I was just impatient. Now bring it all together. Dip your sandwich into your soup, and this arguably might be the best food in the entire world. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out this video on how to make New York style pizza at home. Enjoy!